Hi everyone. Today I want to share something that might be second nature to some of you, but hopefully is useful to others. Did you know that you can check text messages in most cases from a web browser? Now you might ask, why would I want to do that? Well, the main benefit is that it helps you avoid what's called context switching. For example, if I'm on a laptop and I get a text message and I need to divert my attention to that other device, I'm going to lose momentum and I'm going to get out of flow and going to have to get back to that same level of productivity. There are studies, reputable studies, that say it takes us about 25 minutes to get back to the same level of productivity. So you want to avoid that when possible. So working with text messages in the same way you're working throughout your day is beneficial for that reason, if nothing else. I also like the fact that I can easily copy and paste into text messages, and in addition, I can forward text messages. I can do that from my phone, but it's a little easier to do on the browser. So a lot of good reasons to do it. One other thing I'd add, did you know that there is no requirement that you respond immediately to text messages? I don't. I tell people all the time that I treat text messaging in most cases like another form of email. And it's a reminder that just because a communication medium allows for immediate response, it doesn't demand immediate response. Of course, emergencies are an exception, but day-to-day text messages, yes, they can wait, and you will probably be more productive if during your workday you check them from a web browser. Thanks for watching.